Many of you love the effect of alcohol, but the liver does not love the effect of alcohol, I promise you. So here's what's going on. Your liver is like a Formula One racing engine, okay? It is going all the time. It is a very heavily worked organ in the body. And when you drink alcohol, you're putting additional work on that engine that was already overworked. And then on top of that, because many people are not helping support the engine correctly on a daily basis, you're going to tax that freaking engine and it's not going to work optimally. And the liver's sort of a big deal as it pertains to the metabolism, hormones, energy, cortisol, nutrient utilization, and I think there's like 500 different functions that the liver is responsible for. So then people go on and they see all of the gimmicky, hypey stuff on social media that gets tens of thousands of clicks for a freaking liver cleanse for 7 to 14 days, which is literally like, it's like saying we're gonna go flush the master flusher. We're gonna go start vacuuming the vacuum. It just doesn't make any sense. The liver is the master flusher. The liver is the vacuum. It is the cleansing organ. You're not supposed to be flushing it, cleansing. You're supposed to support it so that it does its job effectively. That's what the science says. So then the question is, well, what do you do for helping maintain your liver? Well, foundation first always is diet, exercise, plenty of rest. Obviously, don't drink a ton of alcohol. Alcohol is like throwing an extra backpack on a hiker that's going up the top of a mountain. It's just a lot of work. Same thing with taking medications you don't need. Just puts extra burden on the liver that you don't need. So those are the foundation pieces. Then when you look at a product to support liver function, what you should be looking for, you have two options. One option has generic ingredients at questionable doses at questionable absorption rates. So that may be cheap, $20 to $30, but if you're not utilizing and absorbing it, what good does it do? And the answer is not much. So let's call those products a gentle liver support system. Gentle may possibly do something. I think that's fair with those. Then you have the other option. The other option is you go with clinically studied ingredients on a transparent label at clinical doses that does something over a timeline that you can follow science on, which is going to be 3 to 6 months, because that's the science of how long it takes to help the liver function optimally. That's the reality of it. So we built Liver Complex, this product, to do that. 4 clinically studied ingredients at the clinical doses to be the full support system for the liver. Think of this. Your liver is like a sophisticated warehouse. Packages are coming in, they're being broken up, stuff's being shipped out, waste needs to be cleared out. It's got a floor that needs to be cleaned, it's got electrical, it's got plumbing, it's got equipment, it's got software. It is a very sophisticated process, right? That's what's going on in that warehouse. That warehouse does its job. It's structurally there. What it needs is the daily maintenance and help so all of those things run smoothly, daily, over a real timeline. That's what this is. It's the maintenance crew for that, and you don't have to trust me. You can say that guy just sounds like he's full of it, but you can just look at the label. You can see where the ingredients are coming from. When you look at the ingredients, you'll find that 3 of the 4 is coming out of Italy, and you'll find that the Durabeat's coming out of America. So if you want to actually help the liver have the full maintenance that the warehouse needs, that's Liver Complex. Comment Liver Complex below. If you are looking for a great liver product, this is it. You don't have to trust me. You can actually just go look at the label and search it out yourself. You're welcome. Bye.